Give 1 minute. I will also create remaining files. About service. Those files we have created yesterday. About then service. Photo. User. So this many files are ready and available in current folders that you have tried. I think you have created yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Now created. Okay. So onto the HTML example folder, those files will be ready. About photo service user. So first we'll start from the home file. So we'll be starting from the home file. HTML body, create a table tag. Which file? Home file. HTML body, create a table tag. Table will be aligned center. Give some cell padding. You can give. You can write inside a TR. Then you can follow the PD. We will follow a REF equal to next file. So from we can write here form only. We can give file name home.html current file name. Then other we have 4 more pages. 4 more hyperlink we will create here. One will be called about.html. Second will be called user.html. Third will be service.html. And fourth will be photo.html. About us, user list, our services, photo, gallery, written after this, you will follow one H1 tag. There you will write align property as a center. Then we can write welcome. Then hello Jan. How are you? You got some profiles today? Okay. Okay. Marner stack. Of course, Marner stack, you can say in the front end they have HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, React. And in the backend, they have Node.js, Express.js, and the MySQL. Confusion. Okay. You want all combination, no, or only Node? A full stack is good, no, they can handle end to end. You don't have to keep two people for separate work.
Hello guys,
Some people should be good people. Names, how it's become difficult for me. But you can you send me the names at least in the list, or maybe I will check with the HR. Okay, whoever the names he has sent in that, I'll advise you. Give some time. Okay. Now, how I can tell this candidate is good, this is bad. Good already. Run this file. Welcome home is coming. Welcome home will come. These links are something like this. I made little. I have not increased the font size. See, font size remains same here. Just I have made zoom out. So it's become 125%. So it become font size is. Let's go here before H1. Write one HR tag. Color orange. Size equal to 5. Color is orange. Size equal to 5. So it will create a complete horizontal line. Complete one line will get created from beginning to last. That look like this. Come down, add some images in that. So you have kept the photo in current folder. Photo names you are aware of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. We are going to call that photos here now. First, to keep a paragraph. In paragraph, you can add some text. Any text will be fine. Paragraph also we can keep a line center. So this will come in the middle again. Text will print in the center. It will start printing from center. Yes, what about the text? Something like this. Next, after this, we will display the photos using IMG tab. IMG stars equal to 1.jpg, height equal to 120, width equal to 20%, 23%. This photo you will repeat total 4 times. Check now, 4 photos should appear. You can check your photo extension. What is that? JPG or PNG?
Height always will be number and width should be in a percentage mode.
Percentage why we are giving, because in your computer also it should display 4 photo. In my system also display 4 photo.
Okay, then height.
Height you can increase also, no problem. How bigger you want to see your this 200, 300, 400. Any height you can give. But assume if the width is small and height is more, photo will not look better. X should match with the Y. Height look like is small, we can increase little because width is more and height becomes less. 150 you can give. Now photo look clean. Width a little increase. How much? If you give 25%, now see 4 photo you are displaying in one line. So total width is 100%. In 100% 4 photo if we display, it will come total 25% width for each photo. But suppose if I give 25% here, it will not work here. Why? Because let me show you the reason. 25, 25, 25, and 25. I given the width here everywhere. Then you can see only 3 are coming in one line. 4 gone to the new line. Now why 4 gone to the new line? Because we are calculating total width from beginning to last 100%. And in 100% we are saying 25, 25, 25 for each one. 25% for each one as a width. But 25% width you are given, that is okay. But consider this space also between space between photos you have, that is also part of the width only. So in this case, exact 25% will not fit. So we have to give little less. 25.5, 24.5, 0.5% we have to give for this gap purpose. This gap comes between 2 to 3 pixel, 2 to 3 pixel between two photos. One photo will leave 2 pixel and second photo will leave 2 pixel. Will become 4 pixel or 6 pixel. Okay, here between two photos there is some gap. Because of this gap, 4 photo is not fitting in one line. 25% width we are given, it is taking also. Now last photo is not able to fit in the right side because space is less than 25%. Little minus if we do 24 point. In current folder. Here in the same folder. Yes. Rename, you have to rename it. Checking how many photos. Now 4 photo is fitting. Exact number we cannot find. We will write CSS in coming time to fit exact number 0.5%, maybe 0.7%. Somewhere we have to write, then it will fit properly. So, but now 4 photo are coming in one line. Shall I give the photo in chat or you have photos, everyone? Okay, then after this image, write one p tag again and put some text data.
दोनों बात कर ब्रो.
Seven. The home file is ready. Now we need to go for the about files. Looking similar or something else?
బ్రో చూడు బ్రో ఎట్ నొక్కినా చూడు తమ్ముడు.
Okay, then go for the next file. It looks same.
Hello,
Hello,
sir. Why we used SRC?
which one? SRC.
Yes, sir.
SRC is the property it used to set the path for image. Using that SRC property, we set the path. Path represent where is your photo. So we have written SRC equal to 1.jpg. So 1.jpg should be in current folder. Directly photo name we have written. So in current folder where HTML file exists, in the same folder image also should be there. If image will be in different folder, we have to give the folder name then file name. Folder name / file name. But now in current case what we have, to avoid the mistakes plus different type of error, we have put the image in the current folder itself. Okay, so what will happen is, just you have to give, so SRC represent the source. What is the source? Where is your file? So source is like 1.jpg in current folder. Okay. Come next. So we'll go now for the about page. From the home file, you have to copy till this table. This linking will remain same in all the pages. So better you can copy this much and paste in all the pages till table. First table. Every page hyperlink is required, and since it's a static pages, you cannot make it dynamic as of now without any other language. So we have to write one place and copy and paste all 4 places in all 4 files. Copied and paste in about page. And close the body and close the HTML. Okay, hope ready. Home, about us, user list, our service, and then photo gallery. Now same content you will copy and paste in another file that is called photo, service and user. Because this is the header section, it remains same in all the pages. So this same content will go to the photo file also. Save it. Same content you paste under the service file also. Save it. And same content you paste into the user file also and save it.
HTML. Like we just need to write the like like hrefs in one line. Whether we can use any other things like inline tags other than table.
We will use it, but not now. Once we learn CSS, then we'll use the ULLI.
Okay.
Now, till now, whatever you have learned, in that to keep in proper aligned, you have only one tag that is called table. Till now,
Okay.
whatever you have learned in that, you have only one tag that is called which one? Table to align the content. This table will keep using till will not learn the bootstrap. Once we enter under the not learn the CSS. Once we enter under the CSS, then we will use something else apart from table. But till we have no idea on CSS, we have to use the table only for the alignment purpose. We have many solutions, but not directly in HTML. Okay, check now. First, you go to your browser, click on all the links, and see your pages are loading or not. When you click on buttons or links, is that saying page not found? Any page says page not found, or all pages are loading? On click of this, we can click anywhere, pages will load everywhere. Copy same content, paste in all the file, save all the files, click on all the hyperlink, and check from one side is that page is loading or not. Now come to the about page. If home is ready and running well, home is ready, running well, then come to the about page. In about page, after table, you can use again one HR tag, color keep as a blue color, size equal to 1. Now come down right below H1 about us. About us. In that about us, we can add some text again. Some text data. Hello. Tell me, sir. When is the last date of renewal? Below, no problem. Save now. Come down. Here again, what we'll do is in one line we'll display first section of table, first section of page in the left hand side. We'll display some text data, and in the right side we'll display some photos. Okay, like suppose if you go to about page, your about page is here. In that, the first half will create the text block, and the second half will create the image block. So how to divide into two blocks? Correct. So let's go here and write a table again. Align equal to center, cell padding equal to 20, 15, anything right. Come then, write one TR, followed 2 TD, 1 TD and 1 TD. The first TD width will be, give little more, assume like 500, and second TD width, give somewhere called 300. Okay, the 2 TD is ready. First TD 300 and second 5 and 3. So total this table is going to occupy how much? 800. Okay, align center, cell padding how much? 20. Then TR width 500 and width how much? 300. Next, after that, go to the first 500. In first 500, what we want to display? Only text content. Okay, first 500, only text content. So there you write call H2 welcome message. In one paragraph, display some welcome message. In one paragraph, display welcome message. First paragraph, display the message. It is in the first TD 500. Now go to the 300. Write there again H3. Updates. Inside, 2 photos should come in one line and 2 photos should go to the name line. IMGSRC equal to 1.jpg. Keep some height 130. Give some width 49%. 49% of how much? 49% of the TD. So in TD, what is the total width of the TD? Total width of TD is 300. So 300 consider as 100% for this IMG tag. So there we are saying IMG tag, you occupy how much? 49% of your parent. Your parent, whatever is hold, that's called 100%. So the TD is holding whichever the width, that will become 100% for the image tag. In that one image, it's going to take only 49%. 2, 3, 4. Add 4 photos. Check now. 2 photo in the second block, and this is one text message. You can add one more paragraph with this much content. Here you can increase one more paragraph and then check. Right, second block.
Hello. sir.
Which one? Equal section. Left side text and right side photos. In this case, table is helping us to align the content, but definitely table will not use further. We have 2-3 solutions for that. CSS we can write, bootstrap we can use. With the help of division, we can make this all. Check now about file. So drop like this. Next, we'll go for the second page. That is called user list. I think
So,
about
sir,
file.
so width is now 300. So what will be the maximum width
Full width
that can be used?
100%. Full width, full screen.
Okay, yes.
We have not given in percentage, we are given in pixel.
Okay, sir.
Okay, maximum width will be 100%. If we give more than 100%, then below a scroller will come. Now suppose we are given this much. If a person will open in mobile phone, he will find like this. Can you see the photo got compressed?
Okay, sir.
Okay, next after that, create this file. User.html already we have. Go to the user file. And in your developer guide, if you remember, you have written second type of table. Second type of table, it is here. Developer guide, we have written second type of table, T head, T body, and then T port. Correct. So we'll in user list file, we will use table only, but there we will implement the T head, T body, and T port. So come to the user.html file and create a table. User list. User list. Inside the user list, it should be align center. Next, write a table. If you use the T head, T body, T put, you will not use the caption tag. In the second method where we have the T head, T body, T put, caption tag is not included in that. So heading you will write outside. Now for this table, we can give the width as a 70% of the screen, and we can give the cell padding somewhere 15 px or maybe 10 px, and then align as center. Align as center. Now come there, write the T head first, then T body, then T foot. Or you can also do like T head, T foot. T head, T foot. T foot. And last is a T body. T body, open. T body as a close. Okay, hope done. Table open, close. T head, T foot, T body. Actual sequence is T head, T body, T foot. T foot should be in the last. T body should be in the middle. But we have written little reverse order. T head, T foot, and T body. When you run the page, you will come to know T body will come in middle. Code is in the last. But when we run the file after writing some more code, once we run the page, output of T body will come between head and foot. Okay, how that reflect? Go here. Write the TR. And for this TR, you will give the BG color. BG color, orange color. Keep inside TH. 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 User ID. Full name. Mobile number. City. And service. Okay, hope done. Copy this TR. Paste the same TR under the T foot. Same TR, you will paste under the T foot. Change BG color to pink or maybe gray color. TR of T head, we copied and pasted under the T foot, and we change the BG color to gray color. Okay, ready? BG color to gray. Next, after that, save the file, run once. Orange will come first, gray will come second. Orange and gray will come. Still T body, we have not written anything. T body will not present anything. Orange is in the top and the gray is in the bottom. So orange is coming from the T head and gray is coming from the T foot. Now what is the role of T body? Let's go inside. T body and write there. In T body, you will add the TR, open, close. T head, T foot, T body, TR, open, close, TD, TD, 01, next TD, next TD, mobile number, next TD, city, next TD, okay. Check now, when the page will run, where will the T body will come? T body, is it in the beginning or middle or last?
Middle.
So sequence will be T head on the top, T foot in the last, and T body is in between. If you have written in the top also, bottom also, no problem. Once it will run, it will appear in the middle. That is your T body. Yeah. We can, on TR level, we can give align center. TR we have here. Here also align property will work. Align center. Now check all the data will be in the center. Everything is in the middle now. Next, go ahead. Add one to more user. Add the TR, add below. Zero two. From Mumbai. Add one more user. Zero. Three. Got it. So how many users? 3, 4 users you added. So pages are linked properly and having some content, looking something better. Next, we'll work on service file. This file is ready. User file. Go ahead, service file now. Anyone? Anything?
So I have one doubt. Even without inverted commas, if we write, for example, a line is equal to without the inverted commas, it's still working. So it's not wrong, right? The coding will not be wrong
Coding is wrong.
without inverted commas.
Yes, yes. Instead of double quote, you can use single. Okay. We have used here double quote. Instead of double quote, you can use single quote. Is okay. But without double quote, it is not okay. Okay.
Okay.
Property and value. Both is being separated by equal to. Okay. Property and value. Both is being separated by what? Equal to. This align becomes property, center becomes a value. Now center, if it is a variable, then it should be without double quote. If it is a string, then it must be either single quote or double quote. Okay? Those are the rule
Okay.
regulation of which one? Property and values.
Okay.
So come next. Next we'll work on. Next file we have service file. In service file also, we will use table concept and we will implement it. So create a table, close the table. Before table, okay, so this table we will not create based on T head T body. It will be direct. So caption is allowed. Caption and then H1, our services. Our services. So from a study file, how many assignment, how many pages are created? I guess few people only have posted in the group. Otherwise not posted. So hope you can try it. So helpful for you.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Our services. Next after that,
So
write
can you
it
repeat
here.
why here we can use caption?
PHP news here. Follow the maybe H3. Or instead of H3, let's use a tag called font tag. Font tag. Using font tag, you can change the color also and size also. Both. Color as a red color and size as a 7 is the maximum. Software. Okay. Keep 3. Red, green. Cells and marketing. Just add this 3 line. You will find in the beginning 3 box will appear. Red, green, blue color. Box will not appear. 3 heading will appear. In red, green and blue color. Okay, ready. Check now. Oh, such a big here. Font size. It's bigger than the heading. Should be little small. 7 is the maximum font size. 5 you try. 5 should fit properly. It's like this. You will write one more here. And create 3 TD. 1 TD, TD and 3 TD. Okay, so 3 TD added. Now come to the each TD and add some text inside. 2-line text, equal text. 2-line text, equal text everywhere. Two-line text, equal text everywhere. Hope added. Check now. It's look like this, but width become full width. We have to compress. The table we are given. For the table, you can give the width little. Table we have here. Give width 70% or maybe 80% of the screen. It should not take full width, because once content increase without width, it cover the full width. Width property if we add, then it will take place only, not entire. Okay. Now how much is covering? Not 100%, little less. Now in each block, we have to display one photo in each TD. So in first TD, after image, one photo, img sr equal to 1.jpg, height not big, 70-80, and width 100%. 100% of the TD. Let us see how much is taken. 100% of the TD. Discovering full width, but height should be little more. 150 you give, better. 15 or 170. Here 100% represent the 100% of parent. Here 100% represent the 100% of the parent tag. So parent tag of image is TD. Whichever the width of TD is there, that will consider 100% for IMG tag. Then it will take the full TD. This is okay. Now before photo, I think BR is required. Some gap is required here. Or also you can do the text you can keep inside the paragraph. Text you can keep inside the paragraph. Text you can keep inside the paragraph. Something like this. Text you can keep inside the paragraph. Text you can keep inside the paragraph. After paragraph, automatically a space will come. Text you keep inside the paragraph. After paragraph, automatically a space will come. Look ready. Look like this. Space got applied. Next, the gallery file is your work. In that, you can display smallest one photo n number of times. In gallery file, directly you can use IMG tag and display the photo in full screen. Top, bottom, left, right, everywhere. Okay, in which file? Gallery file. And try doing the set number 2, 3 from that assignment. Set number 2 you can try, that is also based on table.
So one clarification regarding the size or the width of the picture. In the about us tag, we have mentioned in that 49%. How that comes, it's not clear for me.
50% of
Can you
total
repeat it?
area here in this file. About file, where is that?
Yeah.
About file, okay.
Hmm.
About file for TD, what is the width you are given?
300.
100% you are given. Sorry, 300.
Huh.
So this 300 will consider 100% width for one image. Okay,
Okay.
300 inside the TD, whatever the width is there, that is 100% width.
Okay.
Now in 100% width, if we divide into two parts, how much will come? 50% will come.
Yeah.
In that 50% for 4 pixel, 2 pixel, 1 pixel we are given for the gap purpose. Between two images, there is a gap here. Gap is there or not?
Yeah. But the overall is 100%, right? So if for one pick, if I give 50%,
Then
then
remaining
yeah, it's like
50%.
4 picks, right? Divided by 4, it should be. I'm getting confused.
That's what I'm trying to convince you. In one line, total width is 100%.
Okay.
So in 100%, if I give half, how much will come? 50% will
50.
come.
Yes.
50% instead of 50%, we are given how much? 49. 49 will go to 1. 49 will go to the second. How much? 98.
Yeah.
Now remaining is how much? 2%. For the spacing purpose. Between two images, there is a space. So
Yeah.
for that purpose, 2%.
Okay.
Now remaining photo will take how much? Next photo will take. So here two photo will occupy how much of a space? 98% it will occupy.
Yeah.
Now
Okay. You mean in one
98%
line, 2 picks will be there. In the second line, 2 picks. For that purpose, that it is coming like this.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Got it. Thank you.